Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Sponge coin. In order to do this, you will have to first launch your web browser and in the search bar, you will have to type app.uniswap.org. This will land you on the official website of Uniswap. Now over here, you need to first connect your wallet with it. For that, you need to click on this connect button in the top, and after that you can select MetaMask, Phantom Wallet, Ronin Wallet, etc. So for this video, I'm going to connect my MetaMask wallet with it, and once it is connected successfully, you will have to change the network. So in order to change it, you will have to click on this drop arrow button, and after that you need to select the Ethereum network. Then you need to click on confirm button in the bottom. Then you need to click on switch network and the Ethereum network will be selected over here. Afterwards, you need to open a new tab, and in the search bar, you will have to search for coinmarketcap/currencies/sponge. Once done, you will be landed on Sponge page where you are going to see its chart. In the left hand section, you just have to scroll down and then you are going to see its contract address, which is based on Ethereum network. So you need to copy this address, and after that you will have to come to Uniswap again. Then you need to click on select token and you simply need to paste the address over here. Once done, you are going to see the Sponge coin. So you will have to select the Sponge coin and then you need to press I understand. Then you need to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to spend in order to purchase the Sponge coin, and afterwards you will have to press the swap button, and this is how you will be able to easily purchase Sponge coin. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.